In this video, you will learn how to solve different math problems to prepare for the GED exam. So let's solve some practice problems here. Danny worked 40 hours and earned $6.30 per hour. His friend Erica earned $8.4 per hour at her job. How many hours would Erica have to work in order to equal Danny's earnings for 40 hours? Now, to solve this problem, we have to solve for the total amount of money that Danny would earn for 40 hours. So we multiply 40 hours and $60. So that is 40 times $6.30 per hour. So this would give us a total of $252. So Danny earned $252 for 40 hours. Now, to find the number of hours Erica would take to earn the same earnings that Danny have, which is $252 for 40 hours, we just have to divide 252 by Erica's earning per hour, which is $8.4. So that would be $252 divided by $8.40 per hour. So this is just equal to 30 hours. So it would take Erica 30 hours to earn the same amount as Danny, which is $252, with her earning, which is $8.4 per hour. So the answer is this one. Well, let's solve another problem here. Triangle, sum this in. Triangle ABC is a right triangle, and CD is perpendicular to AB. If the measure of CAD is equal to 40 degrees, where is CAD here? Okay, this one is 40 degrees. What is the measure of DCB? So we need to solve for this angle. Alright, let's solve this. Since the measure of angle CAD is 40, and it is stated there that angle B, or it says triangle ABC is a right angle, so that means this angle here is equal to 90 degrees. Then we can find angle B, or angle ABC. So that would be 180 degrees. Okay, the measure of the angles inside the triangle, or the interior angles of a triangle, is equal to 180 degrees. So we just subtract the sum of the two angles from 180. So this is 180 minus 40 degrees minus 90 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle B is just equal to 50 degrees. So this one here is 50 degrees. And now we can solve for this angle, since it is given that this angle is 90 degrees. Okay. So the measure of angle DCB is just 180 degrees minus the sum of the two angles, this one and this angle. So minus 90 degrees minus 50 degrees. So this is just equal to 40 degrees. So that is the measure of angle DCB. So our answer here is this one. Right, let's solve another problem here. The number of students in a class is X. One day, 5 students were absent. What fractional part of the class was present? We're given here that the total number of students in a class is X, and then 5 students were absent. If the class has X students and 5 students are absent, then X minus 5 students are present. So X here is total number of students in class. Now to find the fractional part of the class that was present, so we just have to divide the number of students that are present by the total number of students in a class. So that would be X minus 5 over X. So our answer here is this one, letter E. Right, let's solve this problem. The gauge on a water tank shows that the tank is 1/3 full of water. In order to fill the tank, 16 gallons of water are added. How many gallons of water does the tank hold when full? So it is given here that the tank is 1/3 full of water. So if the tank is 1/3 full, so that means it is 2/3 empty. So two-thirds of the tank doesn't have water in it. So we let X be the amount of water in gallons that the tank can hold when full, or the capacity of the tank. So it is given here that in order to fill the tank, 16 gallons of water are added. So the tank is already 1/3 full, so you need 2/3 of that to be filled with water. So 2/3 of the total amount of water that the tank can hold, so 2/3 of X is equal to 16 gallons. And now we can solve for the amount of water in gallons that the tank can hold when full. So we just have to divide both sides by 2/3. So we have X equals 16 over 2/3. 16 times, we just have to flip the denominator and then change the operator sign to multiplication. Okay, 16 is divisible by 2. So this is just equal to 24. So 24 gallons. So that means the tank can hold 24 gallons of water. So this is our answer here. Alright, let's solve another one. What is the length in feet of the ramp? So we're given this figure here in the form of a right triangle, and we're given the measure of the two legs, which is 12 feet, and then the other one is 16 feet. And the ramp here is the hypotenuse. So we let X be the length of the ramp. We can use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared, where C is the hypotenuse and A and B are the legs of the triangle. So we just plug in everything here. So our C will be the length of the ramp, which is x, and then 12 feet, one of the legs, plus 16 feet squared. So this is just 144 square feet plus 256 square feet. X squared is just equal to 400 square feet, and then we get the square root. For the value of x is just equal to 20 feet. So the length of the ramp here is just equal to 20 feet. So this is our answer here.